Hey guys, good morning. Today is on Tuesday. Mm-mm. Hey guys, welcome to my amazing channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gangina, and I'm super excited because can you just imagine it's already October? A new month, a fresh start, and you know what? I wanna wish you all nothing but blessings, positivity, and success in the days ahead. So, lock in, okay? Lock in and let's get our goals achieved before 31st December. And guys, in this amazing vlog, it's all about me. It's all about Gina. So right now I'm dressed up. I want to head out for a lunch date. It's been a minute since I had Anjera, so I want to go have Anjera lunch. And then in this same vlog, it's gonna be my maintenance week, my vlog, and yeah, also cleaning vlog, because my cleaning lady will be here. Because remember, I told you that I normally make it a ritual, or rather it's always my monthly ritual to do cleaning every first day or second day of the month. And now today it's already halfway. I'm gonna be having my cleaning lady tomorrow for that particular ritual. I already decluttered, everything is in its place. And yeah, I even decluttered shoes. As you can see, we have spaces in my shoe rack and stuff. I decluttered a lot, and I love that for me. So let's head out. Also, after my lunch date, Anjera date, I'm gonna be getting my eye mask and my perfume. Let me show you my pocket perfume. So this, can you see this aloe vera? I'm gonna be getting it, Imesha. And also this one, I got it from China Square, like almost squisha. So I'm gonna be going to get another one in this same vlog. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to this amazing channel, because this year we are unlocking goals. Okay, and thank you for being here, and thank you so much for the support. And this is basically a maintenance vlog. Bye. Let's go to have lunch with me. I wanna go. Well, this is my outfit. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. So, hey guys, welcome to another episode in my lifestyle. I'm super energetic and happy. As you can see, it's all over my face. Well, today is on a Sunday evening, and I want to leave the house to go to the spa to have my toenails done, because yesterday I did record a vlog for you, like a short vlog, simply because there's an apartment under construction next to ours, and it was so noisy, super noisy. So I just waved, and yeah, I'm sure I'll be sure to post it before this, because I was going to undo my hair, my previous hairstyle. And as you can see right now, I'm in a hurt. I love it here. And I have my natural hair blow dried, and yeah, I'm just putting on the simple hat, and I'm heading to the spa. So I'm gonna leave this phone to charge and also upload tomorrow's vlog. So kesho mko sorted, and I'm sure by the time na watch hii hiyo ingine mtakuwa mshaoch. Anyway, ni kujipanga mapema. Anyway, let me head to the spa to have my toenails done. Nitawaonyesha baadaye. See you. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. Hello. Hey guys, so yesterday night I installed the flexi curl rods by yo. Nikalala usiku zikatoka. So this is what I have today. Like, I'll have to step outside like this, my hair looking like this. And this is the outfit of the day. Ooh, outfit of the day. Can you see that? Anyway, let's step outside and document our day today lifestyle. So yeah, couple. So this is me, niko happy na sijakula breakfast na naenda shule. Okay, so let me show you something. I've just here's my bag over here, and niko na empty dish, nimebeba dish empty, so tapitia mahali ni buy breakfast, and of course my water. I have to hydrate. I love my lifestyle, boy. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another episode in my lifestyle. Well, right now it's around 6, coming from work, stopped school, and I'm super excited, and I'm like, why can't I just say hi to my amazing online community? Of course, it's me, the blessed God. Yeah, this was my outfit of the day. Let me show ya. This simple dress, details, and that over there is my bag. Yeah, mkoaje? Niko happy kuwaongelesha. Thank you for being here. We are road to 2,000. Let's make this happen before the end of October. Okay. I only need less than 300 subscribers to get to 2,000, and I'm sure we're gonna make it. We are going to do this. I believe in you, and from my end, I'm gonna deliver. Okay. Welcome to my apartment, my lifestyle. Actually, niko happy. Anyway, leo ni Thursday, kesho ni mazingira day, so kesho ni Friday at 20 nje tutaka indoors to create content and connect with you all. Yeah, I'll be excited to catch up with you all. I'll do a live stream, okay? Bye. My life matters. Hey guys, it's been such a long day for me. Actually today is on Monday. I just got home like 2 minutes ago, and I'm like, let me shoot something for you. So this is basically the outfit of the day: black pants and this official top. And yeah, nimekuwa na siku mrefu. But yeah, I'm finally Hey guys, how you doing? Of course, it's me, the blessed Gina, and yeah, welcome to another episode in my lifestyle. As you can see, my face is very puffy. I'm worn out, jet lagged. Yesterday I came back from my up country, and yeah, sijalala ya kutosha. I'm super sleepy, but I got to do something to be proactive. So I'm heading to the salon. As you can see, I've combed my hair backwards. It's long. Now it's time for maintenance and do my nails. So yeah, of course I'm carrying with me to the salon my usual things: leave-in treatment, my other phone, my lip balm, tissues, and yeah. So let's step outside. But before that, let me show you something. Last week I did my toenails, so let me show you. I went for this color. I don't know, yeah, not so loud, but I love it so much, and I think it's the same color I'm gonna have in my nails. So yeah, this is it. There's nothing much to show, so today I'm only working on the hair and her nails, that's all. There's something always confusing me. These are hand nails, and the other ones are toenails. I don't know why it always feels wrong when I say my toenails and my hand nails. Anyways, let's do it this way: nails, toes, toes, nails. Okay, I think that makes sense and it's much easier. Okay, so yeah, let's hit the salon. I'm super excited about this because I'm finally doing my hair after like a 2 weeks break. Yeah, look at my eyes, very puffy. I'm worn out, but yeah, I got some work to do. I got some classes to attend as from tomorrow, so yeah. Hey guys, how you doing? So welcome to another episode in my lifestyle. Of course, it's me, the blessed Gangina, and today is on 11th of October 2025, and it's the day I've decided to do my cleaning, or rather, my monthly ritual. So my cleaning lady is gonna be here in no minutes. I have already called her, prepared the laundry and everything, and I'm like, yo, yeah. Yesterday I was at the spa, as you can see, but this is not a reveal video. I'm gonna be showing you my nails and my new hairstyle in another amazing part of this video. Okay, so today's um video or vlog is all about cleaning. The house is in a mess, the table is so dusty. Actually, did I tell you that I went to my up country? I went on Friday, Mazingira Day, and I came back yesterday. Oh, today is on Tuesday. I came back on Sunday, and on Monday I went to do my hair maintenance. So today is on Tuesday, still indoors. So yeah, I turned a little bit, as you can see. As you can see, yeah. Just wait for that bomb of a video because I'm yet to do my lashes. I'm gonna have some lash extension after a long while. After a long while, like sijaweka lashes in a long while, but I'm gonna be doing that. Then I show you the reveal. Okay, so today's part of this amazing video is just about the cleaning. My cleaning lady is gonna be here. There's no point of giving you a before tour. Everything is just everywhere, but let me show you. Just from the comfort of my seat, as you can see the table. Look at that console table. The laundry is over there. Let me just wake up, even though I didn't want to. It's a lot, quite a lot. Yeah. So guys, I'm here to plug you with this recharge drink, or rather recharge dawa drink. I came across it a while back, like last week in the supermarket, and I got it because it's a win. It's a game changer, especially if you struggle with sinuses, cold, coughing, and all that. It's good, and I normally take it very early in the morning before taking anything on an empty stomach, and late in the evening before going to bed. Yeah, it helps me so much with sinuses. Okay, it's made of ginger, lemon, and honey, and no added sugars. So you can get it, try it, and let me know in the comment section because this is a win, and it's only going 400 bob from my local supermarket. I don't know about the supermarket near you, but yeah, this is it. Nanikali. Anyway, my plug. One thing about me, whenever my cleaning lady is around, I always help with hanging the clothes because, guys, I love my shirt neat. And as you can see, she was almost done. And yeah, I also did clean my living room by myself because I love doing it by myself. And yeah, that's it, guys. I don't have much to say. Pip the details. Hey, good people. So my cleaning lady is done cleaning. The house is sparkling clean, the clothes and everything, the laundry as you've seen, I'm washing back carpets. And now I have this. I wanna try it out. I got it last month and now to me. I'll give my honest review before this video ends. So let me try it out. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I mean, it's another beautiful day, blessed day. I'm blessed, and every cell in my body is divinely healthy. And yeah, I'm grateful for life, and I'm up to something. Actually, today is my studio day. I'm heading to the studio, And I'm like, why can't I document these? I mean, for memories and for you. So, as you can see, I'm in my bedroom. By me is my shoe rack and everything. The bed is made. I'm gonna give you a mini tour before I leave. But yo, I wanna dress up. So let me show you what the outfit of the day. So I have this dress. Let me show you. I have this dress. I love the fabric. Actually, nitaonyesha video mzuri nikiwa nje kwa jua. Then I have this black full neck, and I'm gonna be pairing the outfit with this boot, also stocking. So let me dress up and show you the final look. I hope I'm gonna kill this because it's in here. Sijui venye nitakuja nikishavaa, so let me dress up. Okay, okay. Well, I'm almost done dressing up, but before that, I have to take something. So I have green tea over here, uh, yellow beans, and white sweet potatoes. This is what I'm having for breakfast. Okay, let me finish up eating, then I show you my outfit of the day. Here goes the Kamini tour. Nimewa promise. Oh, let me show you my bed. My bed. Yeah, and I'm ready to leave. So yeah, just perfume and I'm ready. This is me all dressed up and ready to leave. But I'm not so sure whether I'll be able to record a video while indoors. But I promise you, when I step outside, okay, it will make a hey. This is me walking to the studio. Oh, I'm supposed to be there, or actually, I was supposed to be there by 10, and right now it's 10:40. Anyway, better late than never. I'm just 5 minutes from here. Oh, let's go and cook something in the studio with my favorite producer as usual. Cute steps. Tea. Watu wananiangalia tu wananishangaa naongea peke yangu. Anyway, bora tufike. Fika. After I think after 1 year ndo narudi. Nearly nimefika with this building, this particular one. So tunaenda kisha mlango. Bam 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 bam.